Given that set A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the numbers of elements that are present in the union of A and B. Okay, we are given that A equals to this 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. And set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we are looking for N A union B. Do you know the meaning? The meaning of this is that you first have to find A union B, you understand? Then the numbers of elements that are present in the A union B, that is what you are asked to find, you understand? So let us take the union of A and B. A union B simply means you are asked to write out all the elements that are present in both A and B without repetition, you understand? The previous one is intersection. Are you getting it? This one is union. And union simply means writing out all the elements that are present in both A and B without repetition. For example, we have 1 here, we don't have 1 here, so we are going to have 1. 1 is part. Now we have 2 here, we have 2 here. I'm going to take only 1, 2. That is what I mean. I'm going to have 2. What of 3? 3 is common. Even though it is common, I'm going to pick 1. That is 3. 4 is here, 4 is not here, so I'm going to write 4. Because union of a set simply means writing out all the elements in both sets without repetition. You understand? So I'm going to have 4 here also. 5 is part, 6 is part, 7 is part, 8 is part, 9 is part, 10 is part, 11 is part, 12 is part. Oh, 11 is part. 12 is not part of, because 12 cannot be found in any of the sets. You understand? 12 cannot be found in any of the sets, so 12 is not part. What of 13? 13 is here, so I'm going to have 13. What of 14? 14 is not there. 15 is not there. 15, 16 is not there. 17 is there, so I'm going to have 17 here. Do you understand? Okay, so N A union B equals to, now you're going to count all the elements here. Are you getting it? Do you understand? We're going to count the numbers of the elements that are present here. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You understand? So NA union B is 13. The correct option to that question is option B. Option B is correct. Option A is 12, option B 13, option C 14, option D 15, option E 16. The correct option is option B, which is 13.